Hello folks, Luther here. We're going to walk through the Market Spy software, show you a bit about the features, and then we'll go ahead and demonstrate a search. So let's go ahead and we can do this together. Go ahead and open up the software. We'll drag it on into the screen. Okay, first things first, at the top you have tools. I included a quick help here. It's going to give you some quick Q&A, walk you through real quick. I might put a video in there, and it may very well be this video. Then we have an update check. Let's go out and check my server, make sure that you have the correct version, which you do. Okay, now the cusp of this software is going out and finding assets and doing competitive research for clients, or discovering a sales position that you can go and approach a client and say, hey, I have some really juicy information for you. But to use the software, first thing you do is select a niche. Let's choose advertising, and then we'll go ahead and select a document type. And for advertising, first thing comes to mind is case studies. To make a search here, let's do it 5 pages, and then we'll pick a file type of what kind of file we want to find. And I say it's a PDF. Now, modifier, you can put in, like a zip code if you're doing a local search, or different kinds of ideas, maybe to either narrow or broaden the search. Let's see, for an example here, an advertising case study. We want to search a zip code in Manhattan, and then we want to find a nightlife advertising case study. We can add multiple modifiers, just adding plus signs. We'll hit search, and then it will begin to find documents. Let's see, finding some case studies here for us, and there you go. Nice and quick and easy. Okay, now once the search is finished, progress bar will drop to 0. You have to click save to write the files to your desktop. And once you do, a pop-up will appear, tell you that it's over in advertising, case study, PDF, and search results. If you added modifiers, it'll append the search result with the modifier name. So let's have a look. So what I did was I went through this CSV and I opened up a bunch of these documents here just to see what we got. And first one here I found was effective advertising on mobile phones, and it gives us a nice summary of some case studies that were already run, and we can get a nice idea and benefit from the other work that people have done. We don't even actually have to do any of this work, but here we have some knowledge. Now here's another case study for direct mail a university ran to get more people into seats at home games. And they're claiming a nice success and a good summary of what they did, what their approach was. And I'm not saying that you're going to be marketing to universities or anything, but you might. And if you were, here's a potential starting point. And at the bare minimum, an exact solution for formatting any case studies or proposals you might send to a university or a like type client. Next one I found was very interesting. This is a case study on some online viral marketing, but it also discovered a document search engine online. So by using this tool, I was able to locate another source of case studies and information. Talk about going down a rabbit hole. There is just so much information out there, and we were able to uncover more sources of information. Okay, found some corporate mumbo jumbo, growth strategies here. Like I said, not all the information you'll find will be immediately usable. Let's see. Oh, here's a case study for YouTube about a Zag brand and how they use video. So there's some potential value here, because now you understand how this one brand used YouTube, and you could simply mirror this for what you're doing for clients or even for yourself. What you see now is some of the recent testing that I've done to locate documents, and I found stuff on accountants, banner ads, in advertising. Here we went over case studies, some case studies on appliance repair, case studies on bankruptcy attorneys in a PDF format. There's just so much information out there, and all you have to do is look. And this software will not only give you ideas, but also walk you right through and guide your search to find useful information and powerful market data. So that's it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, you can hit up my support, www.hotgatesupport.com. Talk to you soon, folks.